Hey, what's up guys, Zanin here. In today's video we're going to be talking about where to store your fragrance and where not to. The worst place to store your fragrance is actually in the bathroom. Because of the changes in temperatures, for example in showering, and in high humidity, it's practically a graveyard for the fragrance. So heat, light, and humidity are bad for the fragrance. You can store your fragrance in a dark, cool place, such as for example a cupboard, display cabinet. You can purchase a bread box on Amazon. You can store it in that, or you can store it in the fragrance box. By doing all this, that maximizes the shelf life of your fragrance. Thanks for watching guys, until next time.